Hey, it's Kate with WTI. And I didn't think I would ever say this, but I have found something that has truly made laundry day really exciting.
I have been wanting to try detergent sheets and I'm so glad I finally did. Beyond makes it so easy. They have directions right on the packaging to help you see how many strips you need to use for your laundry. And I was just so amazed at how compact this is. This is your detergent, and you get 4 strips on each sheet. Look how thin that is. Talk about so convenient for storage. There's a perforated line that you just go ahead and bend, and then it was super easy for me to tear one sheet off. That's all I needed for this load of towels that I was washing, and literally you just go ahead and throw that in your washing machine before you add in the clothes, and then you're good to go. I'm so amazed because usually I make such a mess with my liquid detergent when I'm trying to measure it out. It just gets so messy. Obviously that takes up so much room, and these sheets are unbelievably compact and convenient, and they smell so nice and fresh. I don't do great with heavy fragrance, and so I appreciated that this smell was very light. And when my clothes came out, it didn't smell too heavy. It was just a bright, clean scent. I am so happy with these, and I just think that they are so convenient for small spaces and reducing waste.
So if you're looking to try laundry detergent sheets, if you need to save on space or you're looking to use more natural ingredients, I highly recommend checking these out by Beyond. I really love them, and I don't think I'm ever going to look at liquid detergent the same way again. I think you're going to be happy with them too, but that's just my point of view.